What life has torn apart can oftentimes feel like a loss, devastation of ill repair. But God. See, it only felt that way because God was quietly walking beside us as we were experiencing all of the heartaches and pains, just a roller coaster full of emotions. But he always knew that in his timing, that he was going to pull us out of that and restore us. He's going to restore every part that was devastated by storms that seemed permanent, but were just temporary setbacks. He had to allow some things to fall apart so that he could remove the old things and start to rebuild the new in you. You are becoming the person that God has always known you to be. Before the foundation of this world, you are amazing. You are the apple of God's eye.